Baluarte. Hey, thanks for watching Bicentennial. I hope you have a great week, that it just gets better. I'm Adrian.
I'm Joel, and the topic of today are infrastructures. Buildings are very important to the development of a city. So we will analyze different buildings of the Mexico City. Let's go with Mateos.
Oh, are we recording? Sorry for that, let's start. First, I will explain about the Latin America Tower of Mexico City. The Latin America Tower was built in 1956 and was finished in 1972. When this tower was built, it was the highest building of Mexico City, with a maximum height of 204 meters. It has 44 floors, and it was designed by the architect Augusto Álvarez Garcia. The Latin America Tower can resist strong earthquakes of 8 degrees of the Richter scale. For the foundation of the tower, 361-point concrete piles were hammered 34 meters deep, which anchored into the resistant layer of the subsoil. The 25,000-ton building was built on a steel structure. This is why the Latin America Tower is one of the most important buildings of Mexico City. Then I will tell you the benefits of this building. The construction of this tower was an example for future construction because it's built in a seismic zone. The Latin America Tower has a restaurant, a viewpoint, 2 museums, an insurance company, and an office rental. This contributes to the economy of Mexico City because people from different places of the world come to visit the tower, increasing the economy.
Thanks, Mateos, for that information. In other news, the development of infrastructure in Mexico advanced during 2017 amid the turbulence of insecurity that plagues the country. A dollar that closed the year almost 20 pesos. The first year of Trump's government and the blows to the Mexican economy derived from his administration. The road construction is going through a good time. The sectional plan presents an advance of 85% with 80 roads and 50 highways. These are words by Ignacio Garcia that he said in an interview. He's a leading consulting partner in infrastructure for the KPMG consultancy in Mexico. The negative part of Mexico's economy is as follows. Between January and November 2017, spending on public sector capital for infrastructure creation, equipment purchase, and maintenance fell 34% to 633,124 million pesos from 903,722 million pesos in the same period of 2016, according to the Treasury. Now, we are going to see the next section. Follow me. Do you know where the highest bridge in the world is located? Let's check. That bridge is awesome. Let me tell you more about that construction. The Baluarte Bicentennial Bridge is a cable-stayed bridge located in the Sierra Madre Occidental on the border of the states Durango and Sinaloa on the Durango-Mazatlan Highway. The director of this project is Engineer Salvador Sanchez Núñez. For the construction of the Durango-Mazatlan Highway, 115 bridges and 62 tunnels were built. It has a length of 1,124 meters, width of 20 meters, and a height of the Baluarte River of 402.57 meters. This construction allows the crossing in the Sierra Madre Occidental in the area known as Espinazo del Diablo and will save up to 3 hours of travel. The investment made by the federal government only for the construction of the bridge amounts to more than 2,000 million pesos. As the president explained, this figure is equivalent of a quarter of the budget of the entire state of Durango. For the construction of this bridge, 12,000 tons of reinforced steel, 90,000 meters of hydraulic concrete were used, and 1,500 Mexican workers and engineers participated. Let's see what the director of this construction thinks. It's the most important and emblematic bridge that has been built in the history of our country because this construction represented a great challenge. In addition, we have the longest cable-stayed bridge in Latin America. Finally, this bridge will offer a direct connection from the northeast region of the country to the Pacific coast, which will stimulate trade and tourism in the region, reducing transportation times and costs, increasing logistic competitiveness, increasing the volume of economic activity, increasing in investments in jobs. Well, this is the end of First News. You can check our social networks, Twitter, Facebook, and
remember, see the world with infrastructure.
One in the hand, one in the bag, bubbling. Look at the cash coming in. Come get your man, little nigga bugging me. Just leave the bag, quit all that jaw jack.